हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं फिर से अपने चैनल नॉलेज बाय जी पर। गाइस, आज हम इस वीडियो में 15 एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस को कवर करेंगे जो हमारे पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन यानी पीआईएल पर होने वाले हैं। तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए। अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई मिस्टेक लगती है तो उसको आप करेक्ट कीजिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में सही आंसर जो है करेक्ट कीजिए, ताकि जो और स्टूडेंट इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं वो उसको गलत याद ना करें। और अभी तक अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है कि व्हाट इज़ द public interest litigation. Public interest litigation is a litigation filed by the individual or a group for the enforcement of a public interest. Public interest litigation is a legal action initiated in a court of law for the enforcement of a public interest, often in the matter affected the general public और मार्जिनलाइज कम्युनिटी। यानी कि पीआईएल क्या है, इंडिविजुअल को या ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को किसी भी पब्लिक में कोई भी उनका फंडामेंटल राइट वॉयलेट होता है तो उसके लिए पीआईएल फाइल की जाती है। बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्राइमरली अनेबल पीआईएल। यानी आर्टिकल नंबर हमारा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का कौन सा है। इन सभी में से हमारा आर्टिकल 32 भी है और 226 भी है। तो आर्टिकल 32 गारंटी द राइट टू मूव द कोर्ट टू एनफोर्स द फंडामेंटल राइट एंड मेक इट ए टूल ऑफ ए पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन। बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, विच कोर्ट हैज़ ए जुरिडिक्शन टू हियर द पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन इन इंडिया। बोथ हाई कोर्ट एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट। बोथ हाई कोर्ट एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट। सुप्रीम कोर्ट under article 32, high court under article 226 can entertain the public interest litigation cases. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, who can file a public interest litigation. Who can file? Any person act in a good faith. Public interest litigation can be filed by an individual or organization acting in a good faith or not for a personal gain. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, व्हाट इज़ द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन। टू एड्रेस पब्लिक ग्रीवियंस एंड प्रोटेक्ट पब्लिक राइट। पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन एम टू एड्रेस द ग्रीवियंस related to the public and ensure the protection of a public right and interest. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, which case is known as the landmark case for the development of the public interest litigation in India. Husainra Khatun versus State of Bihar. The case of Husainra Khatun is considered a landmark in the evaluation of the public interest litigation, as it highlights the importance of protecting the right of underprivileged people. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what is the main role of the judiciary in the public interest litigation case? To review and ensure justice in the case involve public interest. The judiciary ensure that the public interest case are heard and justice is provided, protected the right of the general public. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, which of the following is not a requirement of a filing a PIL? The petitioner must have a personal stake in a matter. Unless regular cases, petitioner in a public interest litigation did not need to have a personal interest or stake in the stake. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, under which article can a public interest litigation be filed in the High Court? Article 226. Article 226 allow High Court to issue a writ for the enforcement of a fundamental and other right which can use the public interest litigation. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what type of issue are usually addressed through the public interest litigation? Public issue such as pollution, human right and corruption. Public interest litigation is used to address issue that impact the public at large, such as a environmental pollution, human right violation and corruption. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन? टू प्रोटेक्ट पब्लिक राइट and address socialistic issue. The main object of the PIL is to ensure justice and protect public right by addressing issue that affect the society as a whole. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what type of relief is commonly sought in a PIL? तो enforcement of a fundamental right and public right. PIL commonly seek relief in the form of a environment of fundamental enforcement of a fundamental and public right, ensure justice for the general populace. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, which of the following is the reason for the filing a PIL? To address issue that affect large sector of society. PIL are filed to address issue that have a widespread impact on society, such as environmental issue, corruption और human right violation. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, in which of the following case did the Supreme Court of India recognize the right of a healthy environment as a fundamental right? Subhas Kumar versus State of Bihar. In a Subhas Kumar versus State of Bihar, the Supreme Court recognized the right to a healthy environment as a part of a right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution. Which type of writ is often issued in the public interest litigation case? Writ of mandamus. Writ of mandamus is commonly issued to comply a public authority to perform its statutory duty when it failed to do so. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, which legal principle is associated with the PIL in India? Principle of public interest and justice for all. PIL operate on the principle that justice must be accessible to all, especially through whose voice are not often heard in a legal system. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, who can act as a petitioner in the PIL? Any individual or organization with an interest in a public welfare. Any person or organization can file a PIL as long as they are acted in a good faith for the public interest. In which landmark case did the Supreme Court expand the scope of PIL to include environmental issues? MC Mehta versus Union of India. The case of MC Mehta versus Union of India is significant for expand PIL to environmental issues and emphasize the right to clean environment. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what role do NGO often play in PIL cases? They file PIL to represent the public interest. NGO often act as a petitioner in the PIL cases, advocating for the issue like environmental protection, human right और social justice. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, व्हाट इज़ द मेजर एडवांटेज ऑफ PIL इन द इंडियन सिस्टम? इट कैन एड्रेस इशू दैट द कोर्ट माइट नॉट टेक शू मोटोस. PIL कैन bring issues to the court's attention that it might not often take notice of, thus enable the judiciary to act proactively in a public interest. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द पब्लिक स्टैंडर्ड इन PIL? एनी इंडिविजुअल और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्टिंग इन ए गुड फेथ कैन फाइल ए PIL. Public standard in PIL means that anyone who act in a good faith for the benefit of a public can approach the court. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what was the main outcome of the case Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan? It established guideline to prevent the sexual harassment at workplace. In case Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan established the guideline known as a Vishakha guideline, which were the first legal provision to address sexual harassment at workplace. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, in which landmark PIL can the Supreme Court emphasize the right to food as a part of a right to life. PUCL versus Union of India. In PUCL versus Union of India, Supreme Court ruled that the right to food is an essential part of the right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, विच राइट इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज इन द PIL केस टू इंश्योर पब्लिक अथॉरिटी fulfill their legal obligation. Writ of a mandamus. A writ of mandamus is used to compel public authority to perform their legal duty when they have to fail to do so. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what is the significance of a Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India case in the context of the PIL? It rule on the right of LGBTQ plus individual. Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India case decriminalize section 377 which relate to the unnatural offences of the IPC and protected the right of the LGBTQ plus individual and affirm their fundamental right. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what does suo motu means? Suo motu is a court take action on its own initiative without a petition. Suo motu refer to a court action taken on its own initiative without the need of a petition or an application. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what is the main concern addressed in the Husainra Khatun versus State of Bihar? The right to speedy trial for under trial. The Husainri Khatun case focus on the ensuring that under trial were granted the right to speedy trial which is essential to uphold the principle of a natural justice. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अलाउ द हाई कोर्ट टू इशू ए रिट फॉर द एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ ए फंडामेंटल राइट 226. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ केस कैन बी कंसीडर फॉर द PIL इन इंडिया? केस कंसर्न पब्लिक हेल्थ, इन्वायरमेंटल इशू एंड सोशल जस्टिस. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, What is the role of the PIL? PIL का रोल क्या है? To act as advocating for socialist issue without any personal gain. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, Which of the following is not a reason to file a PIL? इन सभी में से कौन सा रीज़न नहीं है? To seek a financial compensation for a personal loss is not a reason to file a PIL. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, in which case the Supreme Court of India stated that PIL can be filed to protect the right of disadvantaged and marginalized community. बंधु मुक्ति मोर्चा वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. बंधु मुक्ति मोर्चा वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया recognize the PIL can be used to protect the right of disadvantaged and marginalized group. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, who can be responsible in a PIL case? Any person, authority or individual that is alleged to be violate the right. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what impact did the case Indian Council of Environmental Legal Action versus Union of India have on PIL? It allow PIL to be used for the environmental protection. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, what is the difference between the PIL and regular writ petition? PIL can be filed by an individual for the public welfare, while a regular writ petition is typically for the personal grievance. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, in which article of the Indian Constitution is often invoking in the PIL case to protect the fundamental right of citizen? Article 32 of the Constitution guarantee the right to move the Supreme Court for the enforcement of a fundamental right, and PIL are often filed under this article to address the public issue that affect the fundamental right. What is the main limitation of the PIL? It can be misused by individual for publicity. While PIL is a tool for public welfare, it can be sometimes be misused by individual for personal and publicity motive or which undermine its purpose. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में, who has a power to decide whether a PIL is maintainable? The Supreme Court or High Court? It is discretion of the Supreme Court or the High Court to determine whether the PIL is maintainable or not. Which case is considered a landmark in recognize the right to life as a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution, Menka Gandhi versus Union of India. In Menka Gandhi versus Union of India, the Supreme Court expanded the scope of Article 21 to include the right to personal liberty and life, emphasizing that it cannot be taken away except by due process of a law. What is the impact of the MC Mehta versus Union of India case on environmental law in India? It declared the environmental concern are the part of the right to life. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में. What does the term locus standi? Locus standi, the legal standard or right to file a case. Locus standi refer to the right or standard of a person to file a petition or a case in a court. In PIL, the concept is relaxed so that even those not directly affected can be filed. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में. What is the main object of the Olgate Tallis versus Bombay of Municipal Corporation case? To consider the right to pavement dwellers against the eviction, यानी जो पटरी पर रहने वाले लोग हैं उनको क्या कर देना, इविक्ट कर देना. The Supreme Court recognized the right of the pavement dwellers to live and earn a livelihood, emphasized the right to life under Article 21. What kind of issue are typically addressed by the PIL? Issue concerned to the public interest such as environmental protection, human right and social justice. Who is created with the concept of the PIL? Chief Justice of India P.N. Bhagwati is created with the pioneering the concept of PIL in India and promoting access to justice for those who cannot affect it. अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कुछ मिस्टेक लगती है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए ताकि दूसरे इसे गलत याद ना करें. In what scenario is the Supreme Court most likely to entertain the PIL? When the issue is of the significant public importance. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में. Which writ is often used in the PIL case to stop an action that is deemed harmful to a public? Writ of the prohibition. A writ of prohibition is used to prevent a lower court or a public authority from exceeding its jurisdiction or acting against the public interest. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में. What is the main reason behind allowing PIL in the judiciary system? To ensure that justice is not limited to those who can afford it. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में. Which case recognize the need of the PIL to address the environmental issue and public health concern? Rural litigation and entitlement Canada versus state of UP. Degraded and pollution are issues that can be addressed through the PIL to protect the public health and welfare. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में. इन सभी में से कौन सी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है PIL की? इट मस्ट बी फाइल्ड बाय ए पब्लिक डायरेक्टली इफेक्टेड बाय द इशू. A PIL does not require the petitioner to be directly affected. Anyone act in a good faith for the public interest can file the PIL. बात करें अगले क्वेश्चन के बारे में. Which case emphasized that the access to justice is a fundamental right? Legal Aid Society versus Union of India. The case emphasized that the access of a justice is a fundamental right and everyone should have the means to approach the court for legal remedy. तो ये थे हमारे आज के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.